Hello students, welcome to you all to the nomenclature series of hydrocarbon of class 10th. We have completed alkane, alkene and alkyne. Now come to the branch group. I was discussing about the homologous. So homologous group, coming to homologous group. Homologous group means the group which are same. Homo always means the word. Let's understand with the things with the words. Homo means same. So homologous group contain CH2, CH2, CH2 and so on. The same group will be continued in the homologous group. Now there are three types of chain. So one chain is simple, straight chain and in ring form, or we can say branch, chain or ring form. So coming to the straight, just like a straight, carbon will be attached like this. In the branch form, the carbon will be in branch form. See, so this will be ring branch. And the ring form is also known as cyclic form. So cyclic form, the example of cyclic form will be benzene ring, phenyl ring. So this will be the example of cyclic ring. This is benzene group. So benzene group is an example of the ring form of carbon chain, and straight chain, branch chain and the ring chain, and homologous chain, homologous group. I have taught you what is homologous group. Now let's come to some of the functional group. One of the line or one of the heading given in your NCERT book, will you be my friend? So who is telling? Actually the NCERT book, the book is very interesting and the book is being written that students should take interest in that. So the question itself a book is asking, will you be my friend? So here carbon is asking that, will you be my friend? So asking with whom? With the other elements. So carbon has the tendency to combine with other elements like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon, chlorine, and like many elements, carbon has the tendency to form the chain structure. So many of that functional group which combine with the carbon to form a new group. So like example, some of the functional group which attach with carbon. First is the halogen group. Halogen means chloro, fluoro, fluorine, bromine, iodine. So this is the halogen group which attach with carbon and its name, and it gives the name like chlorohydrocarbon, fluorohydrocarbon, or we can say the halogen group. Halogen group combined with carbon is called chloro, like anything. Chloro means chlorocarbon, chloromethane, chloroethane, chloroethene, like that. Second group which can combine with carbon is alcohol group, OH. Alcohol is always denoted with OH. That means OH, carbon attached with oxygen. Not only the carbon, hydrocarbon attached with alcohol. Yes, and alcohol. Here in the naming, alcohol is used. Alcohol nomenclature is used as ol. Then aldehyde. Aldehyde group, the group is denoted as CHO, and carbon or any hydrocarbon attached with aldehyde group, the suffix is given al. Fourth one is ketone, C double bond O. So any, and here the suffix will be ol. Fifth group is carboxylic acid, C double bond OH, or we can say C double OH. This is called as carboxylic acid. So here the suffix will be oic acid. So any of the nomenclature, only chloro halogen group is added as a prefix. Rather, each and every group is added as suffix in the nomenclature. So as we name, these all groups are written as a suffix. Only the chlorohalogen group is written in the prefix forms, like C3H5OH. What is this? C3H5OH. So first recognize the carbon. How many carbons are there? 3 carbons. So write here 3 means propane. So you will not write propane. You will delete here E. And what you will write? Sorry, this is alcohol group. So here you will write propanol. If it is given C2H5OH, how many carbons are there? Yes, 2. 2 means ethane. So what I have told you, what is the steps? You will erase E, then write ethanol. Like this, methane, methanol, butane, butanol. Now coming to this halogen group. What is this? CH3, CH2. Yes, can anyone name it? Yes, you can name it. This is 1 chlorine. So how many chlorine is there? 1 chlorine. So chloro, how many carbons are there? 2 carbons. And how many bonds are there? This is single bond, this is saturated hydrocarbon. So what we will write here? Chloroethane. Chloroethane, yes. If CH3, CH2, CH2Br. What is this? Which halogen group is there? Bromine. So what we will write here? Bromo. How many carbons are there? 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbons. So 3 carbons are there. So what you will write here? Propane. Bromopropanes. Because here in halogen group we are writing prefix. So I think till 2 functional group it is clear. Should I rub it? Now come to the third functional group, that is aldehyde. The third one is aldehyde. This one is aldehyde. So what we will do, aldehyde is also written aldehyde, and the function, what is this? CHO, and the suffix of this is what? Al. So like methane, CH3CHO. So how many carbons? Methanol. 2 carbons are there, so here ethanol. 3 carbons propanol. 4 carbons butanol. 5 carbon pentanol. So like this in ketone. In ketone also, so what is this? why I have made this bond CH? Why I have written CH here? Because carbon is sharing 2 bond here and 3 1 4 bond. Since carbon is tetravalence, it has 4 valency. It will share only 4 bonds. 1 2 3 4 like this. So here 1 2 3 and here also bond is there. So what we will write? CH. So how many carbons are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So what we will write here? Pente. And what is here? One. Pentanone. Sorry, I have written ol here, al here. So this is wrong. Ketone, the suffix will be on. So pentane, E we will erase it, and here we will write pentanone. So I think this will be clear to you all. Now coming to carboxylic acid. So what we will write here in carboxylic acid? So carboxylic acid, the suffix is what? Oic acid. Oic means C double bond OOH. And we will what? Put CH here, CH2 here, CH3. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. So what we will write? Butane. And what will be the suffix? Oic acid. So I hope this is clear to you all, the nomenclature. So let's come to NCERT exercises now.